Today is day 364 of web development. It is also Monday, July 18th, 2022. And today I'm going to do what I've been doing for the past 2 days, and I'm just going to make a centered card. I think the theme today is going to be coffee or cappuccinos or something. I don't know. I'm just going to go with it. So I'll create a new HTML, doc type, what's going on, HTML, put in my HTML tags, close in my HTML tags. I'm just going to do a body tag for now. And then inside I'll do a div. I'll give it a class container. And then I'll target it in my CSS. And I'll target it using dot notation. So container. And then I'll give it a border property. And then the value is 5 pixels black solid border. Give it a height of 100 VH. And then I probably should get rid of any default margin and padding that there is by setting those to 0. And that's it. And then I'm going to go and create a card, div class card. And then in the card, I want there to be a thumbnail. I'm just going to call it thumb. And then I also want there to be content. So div class card content, and in the content an h1, which is a heading tag, and then a paragraph won't hurt, and then a button, which I'll leave it as an a tag that leads to nowhere. Okay, and then now I'll go over here and go to the card and give it the same border property so I'm able to see it. I'll center it in the middle of the container, so I'll give the container a display of flex, and then I'm able to use the properties of flex, so justify content center, that's going to do it horizontally, and then align items centers it vertically. If I give it a certain height and width, so probably the width would have to be, I don't know, 400 pixels, and then a height 400, 300, 500. I'll save that, and then I'll be able to see it in debug mode here. Maybe the width could be a little bit smaller, like 350. Something like that. And then I'll give it a border radius of 20 pixels, and then for the thumbnail, which is the thumb, I'll give it the same border radius of 20 pixels, but I think it's going to have to end up being, I don't know, is it 0, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 0? I'll have to see. But I have to give it the background, and in this case, the background is going to be, I don't know, let's see, actually I don't even like this one. How about, maybe I'll just go with this one. Copy image address, and then give it a URL of that link, and then I'll do background, size, cover, and I still won't be able to see it because I don't have a height set on it, so it's probably going to end up being 40%, something like that. And then I'll do background, position, center, so the image is at the center, and then let me see, what's something that I have to change? This has to be 20 pixels, maybe this has to be 0. Nope. Alright, something like that. Let's see, and then I guess, I don't know, do I want the background to be this color? I can just go and have the container have a background of this color, which I just lost. Where's my code? Okay, here. And then I'll have the card itself have a background of which is kind of like a white. And then probably have this be 50% or maybe 60. And then, actually no, 50. For the card content, I need there to have a padding of 20 pixels and probably actually a margin of 20 pixels instead of a padding. And then I need there to be, let me see, margin bottom. No, it's gonna have to be the specific stuff. So card content H1, margin bottom 10 pixels. Same thing for the paragraph. And then for the button, card content button, which is an A, I need a background of, I don't know what color. Let me just get a color of a cocoa bean. Put that in there. Remove the underline. Change the color to be white. The padding, it works like a clock, so it starts from the top. So 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. So top, right, bottom, left. And then border radius, 20 pixels. And then this should probably be a little bit more. Let me think. Do I want the margin bottom? Let me just get this and do that and change this to be the paragraph and then have this be 20, 40, I guess. I don't like it. 20 and then 20. It's so odd. Why do I feel like it's weird? Whatever. Alright, so let me save that, look at it over here, and then when I hover over the button, I need it to change color to something such as maybe the color of the coffee. That works, I guess. Wait, shouldn't it be a darker color? It should be a darker color, right? Let me just get that. Okay, whatever. Anyway, when I also hover over the card, I needed to move -2 pixels from the top, or from its relative previous position. There we go. And then I should get rid of this border here, and then that's pretty much it for today. I don't know if I like the background, but whatever. Let me just change what it says. So heading, I don't know, I know this one, I'll do like something like taste, and then I don't know, this week's special, weekly special. Okay, I guess that's it for today then. Bye.